Meet Clever Fox Food Journal, your paper nutrition specialist. Track your food intake, reach health goals, and get in the best shape of your life with the compact food journal, measuring just 5.5 inches by 8.2 inches. The planner's hardcover is carefully crafted out of a soft-touch, eco-friendly, durable material. All pages are made of premium quality 120 GSM no-bleed paper and are meant to last over 6 months of daily tracking, unlike most food journals, which typically last only 3 to 4 months. This planner has 3 ribbon bookmarks, an expandable pocket at the back, a pen loop, and an elastic closure. Inside, you will also find 3 sheets of colorful stickers and an illustrated user manual with step-by-step instructions. Clever Fox Food Journal is not dated, meaning you don't have to wait for a specific date to begin eating healthier. You can start the moment you have this journal in your hands. First, write down your name and height. Take your starting picture. List both your current and target measurements. Acknowledge the reward you will work for. Be kind to yourself and your body by setting realistic targets. Write down the starting date. Promise to reach your goals. And make this pledge official by signing this page just like you would any legal document. To understand your goals, desires, and underlying motives better, take some time to reflect on why you wish to achieve the goal you set, how you will achieve it, and what steps you will take on the way. This practice helps you clearly see your goal and the path towards it. Let's see what a day of food intake tracking looks like. Write down the date and mark which day of the week it is. Since you pick the date, you can start anytime, take a break if needed, and continue without planner guilt and wasted pages. Use the sections on top of the page to analyze how your health choices impact your daily well-being. Track your weight, body fat percentage, hours of sleep, caffeine intake, and the number of fruit and veggie servings eaten. Make sure to mark your daily mood, energy, and activity levels to see how they correlate with your nutrition. For your convenience, daily food intake is broken into 4 meal categories: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Track the time each of the meals was eaten. Use the snack section to list up to 3 separate snack breaks. List each product's calories and macros, calculate each meal's total, and compare it to the daily target. The best way to find out if your nutrition plan is successful is by measuring your progress. Take your weekly measurements and adjust your nutrition plan according to the results. Once you have reached the end of the journal, it is time to take the after photo and measurements. Write down the date, your results. Reflect on whether you have achieved your goal and rewarded yourself, and if not, think of what you may do differently next time. To make tracking easier, list your most frequently eaten products and their nutritional facts per serving at the end of the planner. Use the dot grid pages at the back in case you need to write down recipes, ideas, or just space to brainstorm. Whether you are looking to lose weight, gain muscle mass, or just eat more healthily, reaching your goals is easy with the Clever Fox Food Journal by your side. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.